This is HRF's new one of the biggest direct cool refrigerator, 538 digital inverter. Its second generation FD inverter technology helps in supreme saving of energy and consumes just 1 unit a day. Comes with elegant digital control panel that is used to adjust your required temperature setting just with the touch of finger. It's for temperature sensors automatically adjust its cooling as per outer temperature. It comes with HCS freshness technology that keeps your food and vegetables 2 times more fresher. It is equipped turbo fan for balanced cooling throughout the refrigerator. Its HCS humidity control system keeps the food fresh for longer periods. It is equipped with strong glass shelves. Those can withstand the weight of 120 kilograms. HRF is offering 10 years compressor, 3 years electric parts, and 1 year gas warranty.